A good afternoon, everyone, and a very warm welcome to Inglewood House. Today, we are all here to celebrate the marriage of Liam and Sarah. Now, technically speaking, Liam and Sarah first met at nursery. By some twist of fate, their lives continued to cross paths. But it wasn't until first year at high school that they initially started chatting. Now, Sarah, she was quite keen on Liam at this time, and she bravely asked him out. Liam said no. But fast forward to 5th year, where clearly Liam's priorities had changed. They became the best of friends, always sharing a laugh, never afraid to have a joke with the other. Then the tables turned, and it was Liam who asked Sarah out.
As with tradition, I need to tell you a little bit about my darling Sarah. Those of you who know Sarah will appreciate she's always known her own mind. She's always professed to know exactly where she was going in life, whether it's giving directions in the car as a 2-year-old or telling you exactly what fantastic qualifications, a great car, nice house, amazing job she was going to have. So based on the memories of sources much more reliable than myself, I'm told that sorry, I thought the disco had started. I was away there. Liam is an absolute movie fanatic, and to see a new film he would take any Freddie, Chucky or Johnny along with him, but this was different.
I've only known Liam for a few years. I never actually spoke to Liam until that epidemic that shall not be mentioned started and I was put in his department to work. He made one of the most difficult times for everyone an absolute joy, even if I was forced to endure whiplash from his music taste. I find it funny that my title has been Best Man, because the best man that I have ever met is Liam. And I'm just lucky enough to be his friend and see him marry his beautiful wife.
I can't promise that I won't be late, but I can promise that it's only because still to this day you make me nervous.
I promise to always show you how amazing and special you truly are.
I promise to be your cinema date forever, no matter what the movie.
I'll always love and cherish you, be there for you in the best of times and the worst of times.
I love you today, tomorrow and forever.